Keeping up with constant pet hair shedding, muddy paw prints, and everyday dirt can make maintaining your floors feel like an endless, exhausting second job. Pushing a heavy upright vacuum around only to drag out a mop and bucket immediately afterwards steals precious hours from your week. And traditional robot vacuums often get tangled on fur or spread dirty water around. The iRobot Roomba 415X combo robot vacuum and mop completely rewrites your home care routine, turning floor maintenance into a hands-free experience. This high-end system vacuums and mops simultaneously while taking complete care of itself, ensuring you return to spotless, deeply sanitized floors every single day without lifting a finger. The undisputed headline breakthrough of the Roomba 415X is its intense, class-leading 20,000 pascals of raw suction power. This immense airflow is guided by dual, tangle-free multi-surface rubber brushes that actively pull in fine dust, deeply embedded carpet crumbs, and thick pet fur without falling victim to hair wraps. What truly sets this model apart is its 46% slimmer profile compared to typical robotic cleaners, allowing the chassis to glide smoothly beneath low-clearance sofas, beds, and kickboards where dust bunnies and allergens love to hide. To handle dried-on kitchen spills and sticky paw prints, the robot deploys dynamic spinning dual clean mop pads backed by smart scrub technology, which applies targeted downward pressure and a deep back-and-forth scrubbing motion to break down tough messes that standard pass-through robot wipes leave behind. Navigating through everyday home clutter is entirely seamless thanks to an advanced Clearview LiDAR mapping radar paired with a smart obstacle avoidance system. The internal computer maps out up to 3 distinct floors of your home with absolute precision, identifying walls and furniture while actively recognizing and steering clear of sudden hazards like charging cables, forgotten shoes, or unexpected pet accidents. When transitioning from hard floors to area rugs, the Roomba's automated carpet detection system kicks in instantly. The unit lifts its spinning mop pads completely out of the way before crossing onto your carpets, providing continuous, high-power vacuuming while keeping your textiles perfectly dry. The crown jewel of this premium setup is the fully automated auto-wash multifunction dock, which completely eliminates the gross, daily chore of manually emptying and washing your vacuum. The moment the Roomba finishes its run and docks, the base station forcefully sucks out the onboard dustbin, sealing away dirt and pet allergens into a large debris bag that requires zero attention for up to 90 days. Simultaneously, the dock drains the dirty water tank, refills the robot's fresh water reservoir, and launches an automated self-cleaning cycle. It washes the spinning mop pads thoroughly using dual water tanks and finishes the job by drying them with 113 degrees Fahrenheit 45 degrees Celsius hot air, stopping bacteria, mold, and sour pet odors from ever taking hold. Managing your personal cleaning crew is fully customizable via the intuitive Roomba Home smartphone app. From your phone, you can track real-time mapping, set up custom room schedules, establish strict keep-out zones, or target a sudden dining table spill without cleaning the entire house. For hands-free control, full voice assistant integration allows you to simply say a quick command to clean up after dinner while you relax on the couch. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from the daily physical strain of floor scrubbing, eliminate the odor of dirty mop pads, and invest in a slim, ultra-powerful 20,000 pascals automated cleaner that vacuums, mops, and maintains itself for months at a time, the Roomba 415X combo is the ultimate smart home upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this to tackle stubborn pet hair or messy toddler spills, and I will see you in the next video.